Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into the myriad of ways you can turn your channel into a profitable venture. First on our list is the YouTube Partner Program, the most popular way to monetize a YouTube channel. To join this illustrious group, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you're in the program, you can earn money from ads that run on your videos. It's as simple as that. Next, we have channel memberships. This feature allows viewers to pay a monthly fee to become members of your channel. In return, they get access to exclusive perks like early access to new videos, live streams, and chat badges. It's a win-win situation. Then, there's Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are interactive features that viewers can use to show their support during live streams and premieres. Super Chats are highlighted messages that pop up in the chat stream, while Super Stickers are animated images that viewers can send. They're fun, they're interactive, and they're another great way to monetize your channel. Of course, there's always the option of channel merchandise. If you've ever dreamt of having your own line of t-shirts, hats, or mugs, this is your chance. You can sell your merchandise right through your YouTube channel. Once you've built up an audience, brand sponsorships become a viable option. You can partner with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. It's a great way to make money while also providing value to your viewers. But the possibilities don't end there. You can also make money from YouTube by affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products or services in your videos, and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. Crowdfunding is another approach. You can use crowdfunding platforms to raise money for new projects or to support your existing channel. Lastly, you can license your content. This means you can give other companies or websites permission to use your videos in their own content for a fee. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to making money from YouTube. The best way to monetize your channel will depend on your niche, audience, and content strategy. So how do you increase your chances of success? Create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. Be consistent with your uploads and promote your videos on social media. Interact with your audience and build a community around your channel. And most importantly, experiment with different monetization methods to see what works best for you. Making money from YouTube takes time and effort, but with a dedicated approach, financial success is within your reach. So, to summarize, you can make money on YouTube through the YouTube Partner Program, channel memberships, Super Chat and Super Stickers, channel merchandise, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, crowdfunding, and licensing your content. The key is to find what works best for you, your content,